It's the man, the myth, the legend. You've heard about him. You've read about him. Here he is, Todd, the winner!
All right, everybody.
This is the winner.
I'm here in Flower Mound, Texas. Hopefully enjoyed having a good time with us. This is where we won the Master Chef Madness.
On this patio.
On this patio. This is the House of Champions.
Exactly.
The house that Paul built. And we had a great time making our Texas brisket smash burgers. Paul said you got to come over and we have to celebrate the national championship. So we are going to make for you. Are you ready for this?
Oh my gosh.
Texas butter pecan French toast.
Oh.
Let's give it a try.
Here with Susie, Paul's wife, and she's gonna help me as we make our French toast batter here. So Susie, let's crack some eggs. We're gonna do 5 slices of French toast today. I like to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to do 1 egg per slice, but these are Texas toast slices, so we're gonna get a little bit bigger here. Susie's gonna go ahead and start whisking that up. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown sugar in there. A little bit of cinnamon in there as well. Some pure vanilla extract. There we go, a little bit of that in there. And the secret today here in the South is the Southern Butter Pecan Coffee Creamer. I love it, and this is gonna be perfect for this recipe. Susie, you tell me when, and we'll just put it in there. This is gonna give us that great flavor.
That's it.
There we go. We're gonna have Susie drop a couple pads of butter down here on the griddle top. Okay, and we got some pecans yesterday. So this recipe originated when we stopped at this place called the Pecan Shed up in Henrietta, Texas on the way down here. And bought these delicious pecans. They had everything. They had pecan cookies, pecan pie, pecan syrup, pecan fudge. And we are gonna toast up some of their pecans in butter. All right. What do you think, Susie? Do you think they look good?
They look golden brown, they're done.
All right, perfect. Come on in here. Gonna pull those toasted Texas pecans aside until later. Lots of people ask me if it's okay to put a cast iron skillet, pot, or pan on the griddle, and you certainly can. We're gonna go in with some butter. This is where we are gonna make that delicious Texas pecan French toast syrup. So a little bit of butter in there, followed by some brown sugar, some dark brown sugar. Yummy, looking good. A little bit of ground cinnamon.
Hey Todd, how about I give you the boot?
I got the boot. All right, Texas honey. Of course, you're in Texas, baby. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous Texas honey right there. That honey, the brown sugar, cinnamon. There we go. That's the makings of our syrup right there. We're gonna put this over here. I'm actually gonna turn this burner off. The griddle top is already hot enough, and we're gonna let that syrup start to set up right there. Nice slices of Texas toast. We're gonna put these down here. I have our batter, of course, in this big lasagna type of pan. I'm gonna put them down. You gotta be careful. You want them to, you want the bread to soak up the batter, but at the same time, you don't want it to break apart. So you kind of have to watch it. You know, anytime you're doing a pastry type of thing like this, a crepe, French toast, you know, there's a little bit of delicate motion involved. So there we go, we're soaked up. Come over here to our griddle top. You can see I have these burners down here set on low, and these burners are off. But I can fill the griddle top here. I know that's plenty warm to cook French toast. And here we go. We're gonna go straight down here onto the hot griddle top. I like to use a super thin spatula when you're talking about crepes and French toast. So get in there and give them a flip. Perfect, that's what you want. Nice little accents of yellow and brown on there. Oh, those are looking really, really nice. Come back over here to our syrup. You can see that's looking really nice, and we have those toasted pecans. Gonna put those there in the syrup like so. And we're gonna mix, oh my goodness, this is where magic starts to happen here. Look at that. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous Texas pecan syrup. We're just gonna let this sit over here and start to thicken up a little bit. French toast is looking perfect, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that, put that on our cutting board. Check it out, by the way, I'm going old school. We have one of the old Blackstone hot mitts here. We're gonna come on over here. Oh baby, are you ready? We're gonna pour this down. We'll start right over here. Get some of those pecans in there. And that delicious looking syrup. There we go. Now we need to get the pecans. They weren't cooperating with me. A little bit of ice cream on top. Our ice cream is melting here in the Texas heat, but that's all fine. That's all good. Put that on top. It's like whipped cream meets ice cream. And of course, this is Bluebell ice cream. You know, you're in Texas. Go down with a little bit of cinnamon. When you're in Texas, you gotta have Bluebell. Take a look at that.
Todd, let's give it a try.
Oh baby, I'm going in there. Get some of that ice cream. Right there.
Man.
Get me a toasted pecan. Right there, everyone show your bite to the camera.
And this is Bluebell.
Bluebell, here we go.
That's delicious.
Friends.
The syrup is delicious.
Oh man, Susie, yeah, that was so good. You know, I've never toasted my pecans. I like them cold.
I'm not one who eats French toast, so when he said he was gonna make this, I had my doubts about it, but those those doubts have been erased because this is absolutely delicious.
All right, friends, this is delicious. Tell you what I love most about traveling is we get to try exciting new recipes like this with Texas pecans with our friends, Paul and Susie. This hopefully won't be the last time you see us here. We've been here before, we won the national championship. We're back to celebrate with our dessert, right? What do you think? Was this a fun celebration?
Yes, and you won it here.
We did.
2 months ago.
Oh my goodness, gotta get in there for one more bite. Sticky. Delicious. I've had a blast hanging out here in Flower Mound with my friends Susie and Paul. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd and Susie and Paul. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the Texas
Butter pecan.
French toast. The winner of the Blackstone Master Chef, of the Blackstone Magic Chef, the Master Chef Champion